augmented matrix. Now here we have to make this coefficient matrix upper triangle, that is we have to make these elements 0. So for that let us do the operation. R2 implies 3R2 minus 2R1. So here we will get 3R2, that is here we are multiplying with 3 and here we are multiplying with 2, then subtract. So here we will get 3, 2, 1, 3. So in the second row here we will get 0. Then here 3 into R2, that is 3 minus 2 into R1, that is 4 minus 1. Then here 1 into 3, that is 3 here. Then minus 2 into 1. So here 1